welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, my name is Laura and welcome to my channel. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do so now, that way you don't miss out on my future videos. Today we're doing another masking video. We're going to be using the GlamGlow GravityMud firming treatment. Hey, I got it right that time. GlamGlow GravityMud firming treatment, and I'm sure you've seen this mask before. I've already used this a couple times, but I just wanted to use it on just for you guys. And this I actually got at TJ Maxx. Yeah, I got this at TJ Maxx, and it says it's a mega size, so I'm assuming the normal size comes in like the little bottle container. And then it did come with this brush too to apply it with, but mine's already I think it got too wet or something one day, so we're just gonna use this part of it. So let me get my hair out of the way and we're gonna go ahead and get started. So I've been trying my hand at daily vlogging, and it's a lot of work. I don't really know if I'm gonna keep up with it or if I'm even going to post what I have done. Ooh, look at that. Wait a minute, I think I remember reading you're supposed to shake this first. Yeah. Shoot. Let me shake it up here. Shake it up. Ooh, ooh, shake it up. Ooh, 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 shake it up. It smells really good too. It smells like berries. I feel like the Tin Man already. If you're gonna be the Tin Man for Halloween, it's gonna be like perfect. Tasty. I'm not gonna lie, it kind of hurts me in my acne spot right now. It's like freshly healed. Today is Tuesday the 25th that I'm filming this, and I hope to get this posted tomorrow on Wednesday, because last week I only posted one video because it just was not getting things done. I've actually started making a to-do list every day of things to do, whether it's little stuff at home, stuff from my videos, other things that I have going on, just so I can start making sure I'm getting things done every day and I've accomplished something, because I can procrastinate with the best of them. Contemplating going around my temples, but I don't think I'm going to, just because I just don't have a lot of room there, and I don't really like putting stuff there. So yeah, this smell is seriously really, really good. Like if it was a candy, I would eat it. I was gonna read what's on the back here. So it says, shake and squeeze before. Shake and squeeze to mix before use. Apply a generous, even layer to clean skin. Avoid eyebrows and hairline. Leave on for 20 to 30 minutes. Treatment will change color as it dries. Once completely dry, gently peel off of the edges. Rinse off excess with warm water. Use twice a week. Anyway, so it says 10 to 20 minutes. It's 9:39. So let's just say 10 o'clock, we'll come back and we'll take it off. So we'll see what it is. So it's actually been probably about half an hour. So yeah, it's 10:15 now. So yeah, I get distracted so easily. Okay, so let's get this off. It's pretty dry. Yeah. It's not sticking to my hand anywhere, so it's going to dry. I really don't want to take it off. I really like doing this. Okay, So I'm gonna start by opening my mouth wide to get like a spot to start it at. That always works. So that came out pretty good. I have it still along the jawline and up here, but right here. So basically just like the edges of the mask. I'm actually just going to use face wiper. Alright, I think I got it all. Alright, so I feel like I can still smell that smell on my skin, which I don't mind it. Like I said, this smells really good. It smells like berries or something like that. So I kind of am enjoying that smell. And then I do feel like I look a little bit more brighter, a little bit more luminous. And even if I didn't, honestly, just the sheer fun of this mask, along with the smell of it, I would get it. And once this runs out, I'll probably honestly go get it again. Hopefully I can find it at TJ Maxx again for a cheaper price, but if I can't, I would buy the normal size or whatever that you get at Sephora. I just want to mention, yes, I know I'm wearing the same shirt, the same background as the last 4 videos I think that I've done. This is like almost 3 weeks later. So apparently I really like this shirt. I really like it. I wore this all day long. I've been mounting around all day long. So anyways, to end this video, I definitely would recommend this mask just even for fun. It did definitely brighten my face up, and like I said, it smells really good. So please comment down below what you think about this video. Let me know if you've used this mask already or if you're gonna go try it out. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Did I say that right? Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, that way you don't miss out on my future videos. And I hope you're having a great day, night, weekend, wherever you are, whatever you're doing. Bye everybody.